BRO is pleased to announce a new feature addition to the BRO Digitizer in ASAP, allowing automatic data point placement on curves. You can use the BRO Digitizer to digitize data for context-sensitive commands such as media, coding properties, and APTICAL in the ASAP scripting language INR files or in its spreadsheet-style builder or mini-builder cells. In the initial version of the BRO Digitizer, all data points had to be moved by the cursor to the curve, as is illustrated here. The BRO Digitizer now has an auto feature to automatically place the data points for digitization on the curve, provided that the curve has a distinguishable, unique color. Let's go through the auto digitization workflow. First, highlight an ASAP command that requires digitized data and start the BRO Digitizer. Select an image to digitize. Choose either freeform or fixed interval for your point ranges. Press OK, and now calibrate the image to digitize. This is done by dragging a blue box from the lower left corner of your picture to the upper right corner and matching that to recognizable data points on your actual plot. Next, enter Y maximum and minimum values indicating the maximum and minimum extents of the calibration box, as well as X minimum and X maximum values of the same calibration box. Then press OK. In order to use the auto feature, press the auto button in the digitizer. Click OK, and then place the cursor over the curve which you wish to digitize and press the mouse button. The data points are automatically snapped into place on the actual curve. You can also use the auto feature to digitize multiple curves, assuming that they are uniquely colored. For example, if the curve were the same shade of black as the graduated frame or legend lettering, then the auto digitizer might try to place points on those areas instead of on the desired curve. Even if the digitizer does not place all the points perfectly on the curve automatically, you can still adjust each point manually. You are now ready to get the data, enter a literal name, in this case describing the refractive index. The digitizer creates the data and puts it into a temporary INR file. You can return focus to the main file, where the command of interest is highlighted, come back up to the toolbar, press Insert Digitized Data, and your data is automatically inserted into your INR file. The auto feature in the BRO Digitizer is another example of the tools BRO continues to develop in response to our customer requirements to make your workflow more manageable and efficient. For more information, please see the document Using the BRO Digitizer with ASAP.